Hi guys, welcome to our video lecture today. We are going to be doing the worksheet in your notebook that looks like this. If you don't have it, you can just answer the questions in the text box, making sure to do this table as well. So it's time to do some research. To answer the questions, you're going to hit the web and dive into more of biotechnology, more than what we've talked about already. So the use of biotechnology is highly debated. Should we do it? Should we not do it? Some people even call it playing God, especially when we go and talk about the genetic modification of organisms. Specifically, we now have the technology to genetically modify humans. But that's a topic for another day. Today, though, I would like you to get into some of the risks and the benefits. So we love biotechnology. It solves a lot of our societal issues, but there are some risks involved. So today you're going to investigate the risks and benefits of biotechnology. Please use full sentences and correct grammar when completing this in these questions down here. This can be more of a bulleted list. Be sure the picture is quality enough so that I can read your writing. So I'm going to be grading this. So make sure that you are sending me a nice clear picture, otherwise I'm going to give it a 0 until you take that picture that is good enough for me to be able to read. That's pretty much it for today. We can go real quick and look at the notebook a little bit more, look at the page real quick. Okay. The risks and the benefits. So list 5 risks, 5 benefits that you find online, and then you're going to answer the following questions. So kind of look up a history of biotechnology. Where did it start? How did it start? What is penicillin and how it's created? We've already talked about this. Look up the Green Revolution. What is it? What's the big debate when it comes to stem cells and genetically modified research? How can GMOs help solve world hunger? Why are they considered controversial? What is biomedication? How are biofuel made? We've already talked a little bit about this. And how do we help the environment? And here's the very last part. There are many debates going on in the world as to whether or not biotechnology is ethical. After reading, we're not reading an article. Okay, skip question number 10. Thank you very much. So you'll do 1 through 9 right here and this beautiful chart. All right, have a great day. Bye.